Welcome students. In this session we are going to start hotspot image as a hotspot. Hotspot means what? When you till today we have learned that if you click on particular icon, then or the text, the hyperlink will be appear. Now we will consider image as a hyperlink, and when you click on the image, the another image or another page will be appear. So it is called hotspot. Okay, so let's begin with the create hotspot. How to generate the hotspot? So very first we will type the HTML. Inside that head tag will appear, and inside the head tag, as we know, title tag will be there. We type here will image hotspot. Okay, now we will close the title tag, then we will close the head tag again. Okay, inside the head tag, if you want to write something, then we can write here h1, but before that we have to start the body tag. So this is the body tag. Inside the body tag will open the head tag, close here body tag. See, very first we have to make structure. We have to design the structure of HTML. Okay, then we can modify. Okay, here we'll write this is the use of image hotspot /h1. okay, now inside that we want to put image. Okay, so how we can put image? So it is very simple. We have to put img src, means source. Okay, we have to type here source, and then after we can define height and width, and then we'll close the img tag. Okay, now here we want to save it, so press Ctrl S and we'll go to the folder of this current, right? So we'll write image hotspot.html. okay, this is the use of HTML page. Okay, now next we'll save it. Now again we are going to copy these some images which we want to open it. Okay, so inside that I have already downloaded image. So here standard 10th GSB. Here, yes, 4 images are there. One rainbow big image, you can see here its dimension 1440 multiplied by 955, and this will be the smaller, right? Similarly, this image is bigger in the size, and this one is the smaller in the size. Okay, now we want to open the small image here, so we'll copy this name of small image rainbow, and we'll come back here and we'll type here image source. Inside that rename it, copy, and then here we'll paste it .jpg. right, now check it, is it displaying or not? So yes, it is displaying. But what to do when we click on this? This is the small image. If we enlarge it, you can see it is not appearing properly. Okay, its resolution is going out of the bound. So what to see, how we can do it? Okay, so for this we can give the hotspot or the link on this image. When we click on this, the larger view will be appear. Okay, so to do this we have to use anchor tag ahref resources equals to the file name will be display here. So for this we will display here rainbow.html. okay, so now we have to create rainbow.html file and close this a tag after the image. Okay, now take a new file and save it by rainbow.html. okay, so yes, we have saved it. Now we are going to copy this all that things, paste it here. Now we can change here, we will write here rainbow big image. Okay, this is the bigger image of rainbow, right? And here we want to display only image. When we click on, we have to display, instead of big we have to display big rainbow.jpg. okay, now press Ctrl S and press F5 here. Now here you can see hand icon is there. If you click here, see this is the opening here. So here you can see rainbow images, HTML pages appear here. Similarly we can see here second image we are going to display here like a chocolate. So what to do, we will select it, this Ctrl C, and we'll paste it here. Okay, now here instead of rainbow we'll type here chocolate, right? Because already we will open the chocolate.html file here. And which image will display here? So small chocolate image should display here, right? Now press Ctrl S and run F5. Here it is there. Okay, but we haven't created this file, so we want to take into the new line. So after this we'll use here bi tag, okay, so that it can be in a new line. Yeah, now what to do, again we have to create third file like rainbow. We will create a new file for the chocolate. So we'll save it and paste it chocolate.html and save. Here instead of the big rainbow you will type here chocolate, right? Press Ctrl S and this is the bigger image of chocolate. Yeah, here also title should be, we have to change it chocolate big image. Okay, now see, done. Press F5 and check it, see, appeared. Similarly if you click here, this will be appeared. So this is called the image hotspot. But how we done this, let's see. First we have created one main file. Okay, inside that we have given anchor tag. That anchor tag will be the link of the image of this small rainbow. When we click on the small rainbow, this rainbow.html file will call, and in that file we have created, in that only we have given the main image which is in a bigger size. Okay, similarly we have created another anchor tag. Inside that chocolate HTML file will called, and in that we have put the bigger version of the chocolate image. Okay, so this much this is the very simple coding, and you can learn here how to create the hotspot or how to give the link on the image. Generally you have seen this in the online selling and buying applications are there like Flipkart and Amazon. You can see smaller image, but when you click on that it will be appear the larger image on that. Okay, so this is called the hotspot of the image, right? So this is all about this, this much only in this lecture. I hope you understood this very well and easily, and keep remembering and learning, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos to your friends, because it is very simple to learn and you can easily get the idea about this. Okay, after this next lesson we will learn map, how to create a map in the HTML, and this is also very simple. Okay, so till then, bye and thank you, and like my videos.